right, check it out. Boom. Directly from you guys and your support, so thank you so much. There we go. The only thing I'm a little disappointed about is there's this blemish. Looks like even a slight dent, and there's a little bit of a blemish there. Overall, not the end of the world. Very happy. You know, if it was rock auto, there'd be a magnet, though. There's no sticker in here. What's up with that? I mean, you would think for that much money you get a sticker. Come on. Anyways, that's cool. So yeah, so we're gonna install these bad boys. We gotta take the old ones off and get that little piece of exhaust out too. But how cool is that? Boom! All right. So we're gonna crawl under there, get that last piece off, and then once that piece is off, we're gonna unbolt the exhaust manifolds and put some headers on. So boom. All right, so we got all the exhaust disconnected. We're gonna put the headers on, but just in case it takes a minute, I'm gonna take Frankie for a spin first, and then we'll start on the headers. But that should be easy.
Guys,
Do you want me to pull up front and then?
okay. I hear something. Peter,
yeah.
We're working on Project Frankenstein, so let's get into it. Boom, boom, boom.
loop. Don't get up. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. That's it. Oh, become a Patron. All that information is at the bottom.
Keep choking.
Ow.